Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove objects from photos on OnePlus Nord for 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Photos app, this one over here. Then select the photo that you want to edit. Then press the edit icon at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Over here we need to scroll to the right in order to find the remover. Once you select it, then you want to select the area that you want to remove. So cover the whole area that you want to get rid of. There we go. And once we are done, we can simply release the button. And there we go. Now we can press done in the bottom right corner. And then we can save the photo. Now we have the option to replace the file, the original one, or we can create a copy. So I'm gonna say the copy. And there we go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!